What is going on, family? It's your boy Terrell Bennett, co-founder and CEO of Forex Executives, and I'm going to do a weekly breakdown of USDCAD. Actually, this is a midweek. We are almost in the middle of the week, almost hump day. So I hope you guys have had a great trading week thus far. If you follow me on Instagram, man, you see how I cashed out on EuroCAD for 143 pips. Through both accounts, I made about $700. So it was a good start to the week, man, and I want to just break down USD CAD real fast and show you guys what I am thinking that this thing is going to potentially do. You guys know that it was a Fed talk today around 12:30, 12:45, and USD just got weak. And so it painted this nice bearish engulfing on USD CAD. So I just want to break this thing down and show you guys. Right now I'm on a daily chart, and let's just throw our fib. I'm going to show you guys exactly what I am seeing. All right, so we can take our fib from the high to the low. We can see that the market came all the way down, and it came all the way up to the 78.6. All right, so the market broke below the 61.8, and I'm looking for it to pull back to the 61.8 and continue all the way down to these recent lows, which lines right up with a daily support at 1.31 even. All right, so let's just break this thing down to the H4. And I'm going to show you guys where I'm looking for the market to pull back to so I can enter this thing. All right, I'm going to keep this video quick, short, and simple. You can see that the market has some area of structure right here. You can see that the market broke this area of structure. So I'm looking for the market to pull back to this area of structure and then continue on down. All right, so I want to share something with you guys. All right, the market moves in waves. All right, it moves in waves. And give me 1 second, so you guys can see that my laptop is about to die on me, and I don't want that to happen. So the market moves in waves. All right, so we can see that the market had moved first wave. All right, after this structure was broken, pushed back. So I'm looking for the market to make that second wave, pull back, and then make that third wave all the way down here before there's a big move to the upside. All right, so that is one thing that I want to share with you guys. The market moves in waves, and it's usually 3 waves and then a reversal. All right, and sometimes there's a fake out. There's 3 waves, a big reversal, and then a continuation to the overall trend, and that's what psychs a lot of traders out. All right, so just pay attention to that, man. So USD CAD, if you trade this pair, lock in on it. I think it's going to be a potentially a great play if I can get a entry up here in this area all the way down. And I want to say, let's see, this is 1.3265. So I'll be looking to take an entry around this pair. I mean, around this area, if I can get a nice bearish signal on the H1 or the H4, and we can take this thing all the way down. So let's just see what this could potentially look like. Let's say 32.65. Throw this thing back 20 pips. And we're gonna take this down to 31. All right. So that's what I'm looking for my trade to look like. All right. So it's going to be a phenomenal 8-to-1, risking 20 pips and getting a potential 165 pips. But all this is subject to change, man. It all depends on, what happens as far as price action goes. If we can get a nice bearish engulfing in that area where we're only risking 20 pips, we've been looking for a good play. Even if I was risking 40 pips, I mean, we still good. We still got a 4-to-1 on this trade, risking 40 pips. And getting 165 pips, guys. So lock in on this pair. If you trade this pair, I'm going to be locked in on this pair over the next day or so. If I can get a nice pullback during the Asian session and get that bearish engulfing when the London session open, that'd be phenomenal. feel free to reach out to me, man. Holler at me on Instagram. If you like this video, if you got any value out of this video, hit that subscribe button, like, comment, share, do all that good stuff. I love the feedback. And follow me on Instagram too, man, at Terrell Bennett. That is at Terrell Bennett, TerrillBennett. Hope you guys have a phenomenal trading week, and I'll see y'all next week. Let's get it.